How to log in to your Netflix account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Chrome and search netflix.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Sign In located at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Sign In, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In your Sign In option, you'll find email address and password section. Simply add your email or phone number and then add password and press on login at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll simply log into your Netflix account. This is how to log in to your Netflix account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.